Now I got a good close-up on him.
There you go. Look at him.
Cute little guy.
Uh-huh. Benefits of living in New Hampshire, baby.
This groundhog has the munchies today. Don't drive angry. Don't drive angry. Oh, he's going back to the cars now. I think I see a little chipmunk near him.
Oh, yeah?
I wonder if they would get along.
Turf fight.
Hey man, this is my turf. Back off, dude. He's getting closer and closer to him. Oh, there goes the chipmunk that just went flying out of there. I don't think they get along. Wow, it's really close to that red car right now.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Where is he? Alright, he's getting far. He's getting far away. See, this thing zooms in for a video, but when you try to zoom in for a picture, it doesn't zoom in for a picture.
Gotcha.
It's so weird.
Huh.
It does it for a video.
Huh. Now he's going off to hide under one of the cars.
Hopefully, he doesn't get squashed.
Yeah.
Pancake flavor groundhog.
I think he's a pretty smart cookie, though, because I've seen him around a lot, and people come and go. I think that whenever he hears noise at all, he hauls ass. He really he runs pretty quick.
They run fast, huh?
Yep. I've seen him hightail across that grass. So I think anytime he hears any noise, even a car or a person, he's out of there.
That's pretty exciting. I haven't seen him before. I've seen a rabbit.
Uh-huh.
I think it's just must be a family of rabbits around here.
Oh yeah. No, but that's Bob. That's Bob. I've seen Bob several times.
Bob the groundhog, huh?
Bob the groundhog, yeah.
Oh, what do you call the squirrel? Here comes the squirrel to talk to Bob. What's the squirrel's name? Shirley the squirrel?
I like that. Shirley the squirrel.
Oh.
Squeaky the squirrel.
Squeaky the squirrel. Alright. Squeaky the squirrel and Bob the groundhog. Sounds good to me. Alright.